I don't like it. Especially because I sew, or something, and mine do if I use them.
Now, Peter would be lecturing me right now about the chemical reaction.
They gotta do thin. They gotta be really thin.
What are you doing? He would be lecturing me about the chemical reaction that happens when garlic is boiled and you get the bitterness out of the garlic. And you're gonna love this recipe. Smash it good. Smash it. Whoop, don't do that.
You're using the wrong
do that.
device to do that with.
Nope, that's what I do it with.
Use the meat cleaver. It's on right in the drawer underneath you.
There. Now we're gonna wait till this boils. Say, what the hell are you gonna do? You're gonna boil the garlic. Why? It takes the bitterness out. That's what Peter tells me. Anyway, now that's gonna boil. And we're gonna let that boil for about 3 minutes.
You want the house number?
Yeah.
You're calling them for help?
Yeah, I have one question.
Sorry for you.
I have one question. This takes out the bitterness out of the garlic. Do that 3 times. Just mix it around. We're going to saute it. Simple, right? Simple. Wait till you taste it. A couple minutes. It's like a lot of garlic, doesn't it?
Not nearly enough. I
Not
love
near-
garlic.
You do you like garlic?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wait till you taste this. This is going to be... It looks like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. I'm just doing what Peter always did. Okay. You think that's cooked enough? Let's see. Yeah, you're taking pictures.
So they didn't have anything in the Northeast, did they?
No. Heavy cream. This is very good for your heart. Very good for your heart. If you don't care how long you live and about your cholesterol.
Not much different than ice cream.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoop, this got to work this way.
They had some photos on the plan, which might have been a place, if you click off, you might want to use that place.
That's going to thicken up, I hope. I hope.
You wanted to go for 4 days.
That's all. Simple.
Yes, that was their big thing. Well, you don't have to worry about that. You can just give it to your children.
Maybe a little more.
I don't know, it just,
Is that pink enough? No.
we didn't get into it that detail.
That whole can was hollow. You know, my mother, she never made Northern Italy. This is Northern Italy. She always cooked Sicilian. Not good for you, but it tastes.
Yeah, Sherry.
Yeah.
Yep, you did a great job. I gotta get all the pills.
Now, Peter didn't add peas, but he said you could add the peas.
Yes, peas.
Yeah. So we'll add some peas. Thickening up, right?
How's it look?
It looks just like his.
Does it?
Yeah? I'm not going to use them all. Oh, look at that. Thickening nice.
Wallpaper paste.
That's it. I gotta put this in. Thickening up nice. Where's the scissors?
You and the scissors. Just use that knife.
There we go. There we go. Get the last one. Okay.
I don't even know where my phone is.
Little bit of sherry. There we go.
So you got movies of your trip?
Made too much sherry, you see, I just, it's too thin. Now,
Oh, look at those beautiful
once you
tomatoes.
take it off the heat, once the heat's off,
They're beautiful.
once the heat's off,
What's the
yeah, Huh?
all that work
Huh?
I
Huh?
put into that?
Huh? Not bad. Now let's mancha.
Can we
Okay.
put extra cheese on it?
Yeah, you can. Where's the extra cheese?
Extra cheese.
Ah. Now you can make that yourself someday, Al.
I don't know, we just got